Alright, this is 1.14, example 3. We're going to graph the image of the given triangle under the dilation with a scale factor of 1/2, as in the center of dilation is at the origin 0, 0. Because it's at the origin, all we have to do is multiply each of the coordinates by 1/2. So let's just write down our coordinates. We're going to label these. We're going to do this as A, B, and C. So A is 0, 0. B is 4, 2. Wait a second, 4, 1. It looks like, actually. Hang on. Yeah, 4, 1. Just making sure. And C is at -1 and -3. Alright, so we multiply 0 times anything is 0, so the image is going to be 0 for A is 0, 0. Because 1/2 times 0 is 0. 1/2 times 0 is 0. B, 1/2 times 4 is 2. And 1/2 times 1 is 0.5. And then C, -1 times 1/2 is -0.5. And -3 times 1/2 is -1.5. And now we're going to plot our new points. So A is still at 0, 0. B is at 2 and 0.5. So 2 and 0.5 is here. That's B. And then C, oh, I forgot to put my own. There we go. C is at -0.5, which is here, and -1.5, which is here. And then we can just connect those. We connect them, and on your quiz, once you connect the first and the last coordinates, it'll make your shape for you.